Today, let's make spicy traditional Indonesian mie goreng. I say traditional because we are going to make a paste from shallot and garlic, and this is the key to make it authentic and very fragrant. In this healing vlog, I want to talk about toxic positivity, especially in this period of time where there's too many information. It's easy to be carried away by external forces caused by too many thinking, social media, and not enough presence. I try to control my life situation because I want it to work well, so I can feel worthy and feel good. I want to feel good right away by ignoring the present moment, bypassing the message that this now moment brings. I search and search externally to make it work because I don't want to feel this way. In the same time, there is a deep knowing inside me that know that everything is gonna be okay. But I polarize to the chaos feeling because it is stronger, and I ignore my gut instinct. I feel this uncomfortable feeling. I cry, and I try to lose my grip little by little. This situation actually serves me. How do you know that it serves you? Well, because it is happening right now. I realize that I have been too far away from my soul. I think feelings are the indication of our mental compass. Please know that there is no wrong way to this soul evolution. Every experience is valid and beautiful. I feel we need to observe everything. Our mental chatter, judgment, resentment, everything. I once got caught in toxic positivity by claiming that we should feel positive, using affirmation, focus on feeling great, love of attraction, and so on and so on. Don't get me wrong, all of those positivity and affirmation are wonderful tools and practice, and I love them. But you have to address your pain and suppressed feeling too. Otherwise, the positivity will only be a double-edged sword. It will hurt us more and haunt us in every moment if we don't address it. I know it's scary to face our darkness. We suppress it with food, alcohol, working hard, and we numb it in any ways we know. So allow yourself to feel like crap, sad, crying, alone. Crying is very good for healing, especially the ugly cry. Crying is releasing, allowing, soothing. So allow yourself to express itself in an ugly, healthy way. I think I've been crying in public so many times. I used to be ashamed of my sensitivity and vulnerability. But now, not anymore. I cry whenever I want to because sometimes you cannot hold it and wait to find another quiet space. Just cry. I want to be free of expressing my feelings, and I think it's very brave, and I'm proud of myself to see how much progress I made. You see, I used to so focus on the external thing that I forget to be grateful of my own progress. Cherish yourself, celebrate yourself, compliment yourself. Don't wait for others to do so. Making this video is very healing for me. It's like that I'm giving myself an advice and a friend. My heart is so full of love right now. This negative thing is rerouting me to go inward. I will not bore to say that I give you permission to feel anything. All of your feelings are valid, and nothing is wrong with that. You are loved no matter what you did, no matter how bad you feel. You are a divine being. You are just having an experience that will transform your life. Take the first step to observe and begin this healing journey. You will be just fine. Just fine. And oh, this is so delicious, spicy and flavorful. This is the dish to awaken your senses. Please try and let me know. Thank you so much for supporting my healing journey. Please subscribe if you feel resonate with me. Much love.